Everyone's talking about how the Denver real estate market is slowing down. But did you know that home prices just went up again? Median prices are rising, inventory is building, and buyers are taking longer to make decisions. So what does this mean for you in July? Hi, I'm Kareem Howard, a licensed realtor with Gerlach Homes. Every week I post local market updates, community tours, property tours, anything related to the Denver real estate market. So if that's something that you like or something you look forward to, please feel free to subscribe. And if you're a Denver homeowner thinking about selling, I put together a free ebook that shows you exactly how to boost your home's value by up to $34,000 without spending thousands on renovation. It even includes my 18-point home prep checklist and a free home evaluation. Just click the link below to grab your free seller kit, and I'll personally follow up to help you create a game plan to sell for top dollar. All right, let's break down the June 2025 numbers so you know exactly what's going on in this current market. The median close price in Denver jumped up to $610,200. This is up 1.7% month over month. So despite what news headlines are saying, prices are actually rising in this current market, especially in those desirable neighborhoods. We saw 3,864 homes close last month, which is down about 9.59% month over month. Total sales volume dropped down to 2.87 billion, which is a 6.52% decline. This tells us that more buyers are being selective and many of them are waiting on better deals and a better market. Homes are now spending 18 days on the market, which is about 38% longer than they were in the previous month. This is a big shift in the market and it's creating a lot of opportunity for my buyers. Months of inventory is up to 3.63 months of inventory, and active listings finally reached over 14,000 at 14,007. We are up 3% from the last month. New listings were down 18% and pending sales were down about 1.6%. Now that was a lot of data. What does this all mean if you're a buyer, if you're a seller going into this current real estate market? This current market is shifting in your favor, but it is still competitive and desirable neighborhoods. Here's what I would be doing if I were in your shoes. Firstly, you gotta use the longer days on market to your advantage. Homes are sitting on the market for 40% longer. And for those homes that are sitting on the market, you could use this time on market to ask them for negotiations. You can ask for concessions, or you can even ask them to buy down your interest rate, lowering your monthly payment. Now, tip number 2 is do not wait for the perfect market. Prices are already slowly inching up again. And if interest rates drop, if the Fed finally cuts rate at some point this year, then buyers are gonna come off the fence. They're all gonna attack the market, and we're not gonna have the same lollygaggy market as we do now. Homes aren't gonna sit anymore. We're not gonna be able to get negotiations, seller concessions, decreased closings. We're not gonna be able to do stuff like that once rates drop and once people are ready to buy. And so you gotta use the current market to your advantage. Now, tip number 3 is you be smart with your financing. Make sure you talk with the right lenders, the right people that have creative ways to make your monthly payment a little bit cheaper. Whether it's a seller concession, whether it's a rate buy down, whether it's trying to factor in closing costs, all of these things can make your experience buying a house cheaper, your monthly payment cheaper, and you just gotta talk with the right people. My lender Adam and I with Texana Bank can help you out with all of these options and let you figure out what monthly payment works best for you. Now, if you're a homeowner thinking about selling, timing, prep, and finishes are everything in this market. More inventory means there's way more competition. Yes, prices are rising, but there's over 14,000 active listings in this market, which means that buyers are seeing tons of homes. When I'm taking on buyers, we're seeing 12 homes in a day, 20 homes in a week. We're seeing a lot of homes. And so when they have this many options, it's hard to kind of pick what your favorite is. So how can you separate yourself? My biggest piece of advice is to prep now and you'll make more money and you'll sell for more later on. I have helped countless sellers sell their home for over $34,000 more than their competitors without doing renovations, without doing anything that's unnecessary. That includes light cosmetic upgrades, staging strategies, and even vendor discounts that I've negotiated for my clients. Do not guess on how to attack this market. Get a sound, tried and true strategy on how to list your home today. Even if you're just thinking about selling in the next few months, we should definitely talk. I'll run a free home evaluation for you and walk you through my 18-point seller checklist so that you can sell for more money and in a faster time than all of the competitors. So once you are ready to sell your home, whether it's this month, next year, 2 years, it does not matter. I can show you exactly how to attack that market and what strategies we have to put in place. So whether you're buying your first home or you're getting ready to list your current home, we should definitely talk. And don't forget, if you're a Denver homeowner download my free seller kit today. It includes my 18-point seller checklist, a free home evaluation, my playbook for boosting your home's value for up to $34,000, and access to local contractors and vendors I personally use to get all of my homes sold. Click the link in the description and I'll follow up with a personalized game plan to help you sell your home for top dollar. Now, as always, I'm Kareem Howard, a licensed realtor at Gerlach Homes. I will see you guys in the next video.